On Monday, March 20, 2022, founders were given a lot of information to feast upon. OnPassive is employing people in very high-tech positions, coders, engineers, data scientists, and other gifted people to make sure that OnPassive is here to stay. Multiple regions are becoming homes to OnPassive. In order to keep employees happy, Mr. Ash Mufareh pays them well. If they don't perform to Mr. Mufareh's satisfaction, they are no longer employed by OnPassive. OnPassive has only the best technical personnel. Because of the explosive growth of OnPassive, the departments have almost doubled. Simply amazing growth. To make sure that lines of communication reach the employees, OChat, an internal communication system, will keep each employee plugged into the activities in each department. That creates cohesion, cuts down on human errors. The Customer Success Department, formerly known as Support, will have English-speaking support personnel answering support questions in English. In the future, other languages will also be included. OnPassive never closes and never sleeps. Someone is working on Passive every minute of the day, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. The infrastructure in OnPassive is extraordinary. This makes it hard for anyone to keep OnPassive from opening to the public. First of all, Mr. Mufareh is not driven by money. His drive and vision are to help humanity. That vision and drive will not be stopped. Because good always prevails over evil intent. No matter who you are, there is a place in even those who want OnPassive to fail. A soft spot in their hearts for people needing help, like the homeless and the hungry, the widows and the orphans. So, countries that want to ban OnPassive, there are people in those conditions in every country on this planet, would be fighting against the citizens of their own countries. They will not win. OnPassive keeps moving forward. It is hard to stop a mercy mission like OnPassive. Good people are drawn to OnPassive like metals to magnets. OnPassive is so massive that in a matter of weeks, the first data center will be operating OnPassive. When that is complete, that opens up OnPassive's OConnect and other state-of-the-art digital masterpieces. Video conferencing using OConnect will be disruptive. The pendulum is swinging to OConnect, safely guarded by the technology built into OnPassive's data centers. Other data centers are under construction in various parts of the globe. OnPassive's employees, using their laptops, would be able to access their work by logging into another incredible OnPassive product called OVirtual. Can you say impenetrable? Many layers of security will keep the bad guys out of OnPassive and out of your data. Now the fun part. On the 30th of March 2022 on Wednesday, all founders are invited to witness a live announcement. It will be something that has never happened. And you never imagined and never seen by anyone in history. This is a global event. This will kick off a big wave, something bigger and mind-bending, that will completely change business as we know it. Then in the following weeks, another big event. Mr. Mufareh said he didn't want to tell us, as he wanted us to see it. This live event will be seen on Zoom, with the capacity to hold 20,000 founders. Remember, OConnect has no limit to the number of people it can hold. YouTube channels, including the OnPassive channel, will live stream this colossal event. Get in front of the big screen TV, laptop, computer, or phone to see this marvel, which will happen right before your very eyes. The name of the event is called The Top. The next phase is, you will see OnPassive from the sky. That is enough for now. Our hearts are bursting at the seams. See you on Wednesday, March 30, 2022, where our ears will physically pop.